Hey, welcome back guys to another video of the Stock Estate, and today's video we're going to be talking about the top swing trade stock for this coming week, alright, as well as go over last week's picks. For those who are new here, welcome. For my own viewers and returning subscribers, welcome back. Alright, so I was looking through the comments and one of my subscribers actually swung NUE, right, instead of my last week's recommendation, right, and he got a 10% profit, which was better, than I expected. NUE was a good choice, alright. Kudos to you for making your own decision, alright, and picking the right companies, alright. All I can do is to give you my best selection, alright. You can choose to swing old picks, new picks, depending on your own thesis about which sector might go up. And I'll showcase, one case where I got wrong and you got correct, alright. So NUE, again, my friend right there who swung it from $90, $99 plus to the current area. Good job on that, alright? And let's go over a few of the last week's picks, right? So last week's picks of IGT, okay, we entered around $26 plus, right? And we went up to $29.90, right? And it's an 11% profit amidst the entire volatile market, which was absolutely trolling us, right? The US market last week was absolutely trolling us. It was going up, down, right? Suddenly, Ukraine-Russia fears came out, right? The market was up midday. After midday, just down, alright? It opened up super bad, then midday, it starts to rally up again. So, honestly, in this kind of scenarios, right, I wouldn't fault anyone for staying out of the markets for a while. For me, I'm not staying out, but I'm sizing down my positions, right, so that I won't lose too much if there are too many whipsaws happening, right? I'm trying to reduce my risk in this aspect because risk management is one of our most important thing that we focus on today's channel. So, IGT, alright, good job on that. For those of you who went in, those of you who are a bit more conservative and want to wait for a pullback before entering, you probably wouldn't have entered IGT, but no worries on that, alright? As long as you didn't lose money this last week, right, you actually did better than most people out there, alright? EST, okay, this is one of the trades that I trade, the old picks, right? One of my old picks, right? It actually got stopped out just nice right here. Oh my god, sometimes the market just happens like that, right? And it happens to me too as well. So I got stopped out of this and it went on further to rally yesterday, 7+% up to the further upside. So for those of you who have set your stop loss a little bit wider, alright, in this certain aspect, you will have done better, right? You have held on, right? You have got a good decent profits and you might have taken profits already, alright? So good job on those who have still stayed on ESTE. So for this coming week, right, I'm going to give you this pick which we have swung trade, right, a few times before. 10%, 20%, 10%, 20% before, again and again, alright. This is my favorite, one of my favorite steel companies, right? Small cap steel companies, which is TMST, alright. You can see over this an annotation over here, right? We have swung trade this before, right? Definitely. So this is my previous annotation. We swung trade this for 18%, which we did go up to the further upside. And when it sells off, right, I was looking for a massive green candle over here. Some of the more aggressive traders who have entered around $14 already, but for me, I want to see it hold, right, this area. Okay, well, mind you, we're looking at the daily chart over here. I want to see like this consolidation where if it refuses to go back down, then I'll enter, right? So when this green candle pop up massively and right now it's around this range, right, this signifies to me a perfect place for me to enter with confirmation, right? Looking at the weekly time frame, you can see huge massive sell-off and a huge bounce back candle over here, engulfing candle, which shows a lot of buying pressure coming in, and that's how I use this kind of technical indicators, right? So right now, right here, right, I'm just gonna draw it out next one, alright. This is probably gonna be my entry point. My entry point is gonna be around here, depending on the situation. If I can get a good price, I'll definitely get a good price. My stop loss will be right below this swing low over here. Target price near the highs around here. So it's around a 1.5 risk to reward ratio kind of trade, alright, and this trade itself definitely would be one of my higher conviction one, because as long as the steel industry and the basic materials outperform the other sectors, right, this is, I can see very easily going up to this range. But if I lose, right, in a sense, if I'm wrong, alright, I definitely will get stopped out over here. I'll look for re-entry at the lows over here with confirmation again. So again, about swing trade plays, right, don't worry too much if you get stopped out. In fact, you should be in a sense blessed that you have set your limits, right, so that if there's an off chance that it just dumps, right, one day dumps to the downside to like $7, $6, and it can happen. It can happen, right? I've seen many cases of that. TIGR, a lot of other great companies happen before. So again, your stop loss is there to protect you as a swing trader, right? But as an investor, that's a totally different notion altogether. You know the business and everything. But for these kind of companies, you don't know super in depth and trying to swing in and out for those quick profits for you to grow your cash reserves. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll see you again in the next video, everyone. Stock Estate out.